Ever felt like an outsider at a high-end networking event, scanning the room and pondering how to engage in the tightly knit circles of conversation? You're not alone. Many encounter the challenge of making those initial yet crucial connections, battling silently against the unease that accompanies them. Networking transcends the mere exchange of business cards. It's about forging valuable, lasting impressions right from the start. With minimal room for error, a poorly judged approach or a stumbled introduction can lead to missed opportunities and enduring regrets. These pivotal moments can either open doors wide or shut them firmly. Mastering networking etiquette and the art of conversation is therefore indispensable. Peeling back the layers reveals it's not just about overcoming awkwardness, but seizing opportunities that could pivotally shape your professional trajectory. As we delve deeper, we'll dissect actionable strategies that not only facilitate engaging conversations, but also ensure your networking endeavors bear fruitful rewards. Venturing beyond initial hurdles requires mastering the art of etiquette, initiating substantive conversations, and interpreting the subtle cues of body language at these high-end networking events. Let's explore the cornerstones of effective networking, beginning with proper introductions and greetings. A confidently delivered handshake and a warm smile pave the way for positive engagements. Yet, what follows is equally crucial. Engaging others with open-ended questions related to the event's theme or recent industry trends not only displays your keen interest, but also your insightful knowledge. Interpreting body language is essential. Signs of interest, such as leaning in or maintaining eye contact, suggest engagement, while indicators of disinterest signal it's time for a strategic conversation shift. Navigating group interactions offers unique rewards, with active listening and thoughtful contributions enhancing your standing. Grasping these fundamentals not merely expands, but enriches your network with meaningful connections, setting the stage for diving into effective follow-up strategies next. The journey of networking extends beyond the exchange of business cards. It's the art of the follow-up that transforms brief encounters into a robust network of professional relationships. A memorable follow-up message adds genuine interest and value, showing an investment in the connection. Timeliness is key, neither too hasty nor delayed, to encourage a meaningful dialogue. Nurturing these budding relationships requires a balance of consistency and respect for boundaries, fostering the connection with relevant interactions. As this chapter unfolds, we transition from mastering follow-ups to practical applications, showcasing how these strategies elevate your networking to create lasting impacts. Stay tuned as we illustrate the tangible benefits of effective follow-up in heightening your networking prowess. Navigating through the intricacies of high-end networking with a focus on etiquette and strategic follow-ups leads us to a transformational phase: reaping the rewards. Applying these sophisticated strategies not only broadens our professional networks, but also opens doors to new opportunities previously considered unattainable. Each connection fosters increased confidence, empowering us to tackle any networking scenario effortlessly. This progression marks the essence of impactful networking, demonstrating its profound influence on our professional journeys.